How to put your featured photos on Facebook private. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can make your featured photos private on Facebook. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if I come to my Facebook profile page over here, you can see some of my featured collection over here. And if I want to make this featured section private, and even if I tap on it, I tap on the three dots, I don't have the option to actually edit the privacy of this. That is because Facebook doesn't officially allow you to private your featured photos. Your featured section is there to feature yourself. That's why it is actually called feature. However, I have found a working solution as of 2023. I don't know for how long this is going to work, but it is working for me till now to hide your featured collection. It is not going to change anything in your account, but you can simply hide your featured collection. Now, before we get to that, I also want to suggest you two alternatives, and that is that if you actually want to hide your featured photos, then I just recommend you delete it, because if you want to hide it, then it means that you don't want anyone to see it, right? So what's wrong in deleting? So you can just delete it if you want. The other solution is, let's say you don't want people to see the cover photo of your featured section. You can also just edit the cover photo to some other photos that you might want to add to. So just tap on the featured section, and then here tap on three dots, go to edit featured collection. You can see cover photo. If you don't want people to click on your photo, you can just put a fake image over here, such as selecting it from a gallery. So you can just put any of the images, tap on done, and then just tap on the use button to set this as your cover photo as well. However, if these two are not the option for you, I will show you how you can make it private and no one else, even you, will not be able to find a featured section. So for that, when you're on the profile page, tap on the three dots on the right hand side. Once you tap on the three dots, here you'll find the button that says turn on professional mode. So you want to just turn on professional mode over here. Now, when professional mode is turned on, you're going to have a creator's account, which means that you're going to have access to ads, monetization, and so on. So just tap on the turn on button. It is not going to change anything, just people won't be able to add you as a friend, but they will only be able to follow you. So you just have to keep that in mind. And once you turn on professional mode, and you can see I've set up professional mode, and now you can see this time it says 1.1k followers. Previously these were friends, but now it just shows followers. So but if I refresh it over here as well, you can see now I have a professional account, and you can see very little of my profile bio and even the other details that I added on my personal account. But the magic over here is that if I scroll down, you can see the featured section has simply disappeared. As you can clearly see over here, we do not have the featured section. Now you might be asking me, only I'm not being able to view it, other people might be able to view it. Well, that is not the case as well, because if I tap on the three dots, if I select view ads and then view as a public over here, you'll be able to see that this is how other people is going to view my profile. They'll only see followers, followings, and my post, and directly my timeline photos. There isn't even a featured section over here. Now, if you want your featured photos back, you can just turn off professional mode. So you can come back, you can turn off professional mode, and your featured section will begin showing. But if you want to hide your featured collection, you can see as long as your professional mode is turned on, the featured section is going to be hid itself. And that's all it takes to put your featured photos on Facebook private. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.